Hey buddy, it's John D. Villarreal, and today I'm trying the new Purple Mattress Restore. Now this is a new line from Purple Mattress. I'm very excited about it. This one today I'm gonna be trying is the Purple Mattress Restore Firm. Okay, I tried the soft and that was really nice. I wanna try the firm and see what that's like. I have to say a couple things at first. That this video is not sponsored by Purple or anybody else. These are my own true honest opinions, and we've been given access to these beds to be able to try them and review it, which is what we're doing right now. Now I'm excited about this because this is a new technology. I really like the Purple grid technology. It keeps you very cool. It also helps lock you in so you don't roll around a lot. But now with this new line, it has other great features that make it even a more premium bed. So I'm excited to try this. Let's try this right now. Now this is a firm one, so let's check the edge support. Yeah, so you get a little bit better edge support right there for tying your shoes or putting on your clothes, or if you want to, sleep towards the edge. That's very important. Let's lay down and see what this feels like. Okay. Immediately you see, let's do that again. You see that transfer right here, boom. It almost kind of like, it is firmer for sure. So now if I'm over here, it definitely feels like, it's not like super dramatic, but I'm definitely up a bit higher. You see this, because I'm about 5'10", 200 pounds, right? I used to be a 4-time national champion powerlifter, and so I've got a little bit of size to me, still, even though I don't train as much, but you don't see as much of a indentation here. This is keeping me up a bit higher. I feel like I'm a bit up on the bed, lifted, which is kind of nice. I don't know, I like them both. Do I prefer this over the soft? In some ways, yes. In some ways, I'm not sure. Like the soft, you just kind of melt into it. But if you want that support, and for someone like me who's bigger, or someone who's bigger than me, I can see where this firm can really get the edge and be the better bed, in my opinion. Now, in terms of moving around, this gives you more support in terms of locking you in, which is also really nice. Now, let me just chill for a second, just feel what it would be like to kind of, sleep on this, if you will. See, I'm totally comfortable. I'm totally comfortable. This one, the soft, I think you, like I said, melt into it a bit more. But this one, like if you have different aches and pains, if you need support, I could see this being better. It's a tough call as to which one is better, in my opinion. I think for most times I would lean towards the firm, but I could easily see that either way. That being the case, I'm gonna end up giving it the same grade. On a 1 to 10, I like this a lot. I'm gonna give the Restore Firm a 9.2, but I also think it's situational. If you need that support, if you want that edge support, or if you just wanna be up on the mattress a little bit more without the sort of sinking in feeling, then you'd go with the firm. However, if you wanna sort of melt into the mattress a little bit more softer, and you don't need as much support, or you don't mind a little bit of an indentation, then the soft might be better for you. If I had to choose one over the other, and it was my only mattress, just because of the sort of versatility and maybe future-proofing, if you will, I probably would lean towards a firm, but I think it's really, really close. So anyway, that's my opinion. I'm John D. Villarreal. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.